Okay, guys, what is guys YouTube? We are back into this video, and we are playing I Am Cat, and like and subscribe, and let's get into it. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm already doing this, I accidentally forgot the upload. I thought I was doing it, but no. In your case you break something or get tired, just sleep on your bed. And I always do that, and the house is as good as new afterwards. I got a rug, runs a grug. And it's from I got a rad, runs a grug. What the hell's the point of flies though? All they do is just like annoy you. Wait, I'm gonna grow a garden, Donny. Wait. Wait. Okay. One morning, Rookie, let's get your drill through. You're safe in the house, but the outdoors will be tricky. You start on a few simple tasks. Fluffy Joe. Well, my name is going to be Poopy Diaper. Climb on the top of the shelf on the fridge. Oh! Yeah. After a long day, I would rush in class. Then I finally got to the top. Mount Everest! Look how high I was scratched. Meow. Oh my god. Oh. Zip-a-loop-a-doo. Don't see that. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. There's one balloon. Bro. Hey! Hey! Yeah. Ew! Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to end this for this because there's way too much adverts for this. And this is my shortest video. So bye, guys.